Alright, the fresh smell of the gym. Let's make haste because I'm here with Freddie. Now, Freddie wasn't happy with his debut feature on Luddy's life.
I had to report the video.
You reported the video.
Yeah, that was harassment.
We're gonna get a session done. Agility work, get the lower limbs firing, and then also want to focus on a sprint takeoff drill session. Just the first few meters of the sprint. So agility and takeoff. Okay. Featuring the Voyager 2.
Oh, some boots these are.
Some boots indeed.
All right.
2-minute warm up. Let's go see what Freddie's up to. Don't tell me he's doing a Bronco. Looks like he's just doing shuttles. Nice, nice. Drill number 1. Deciding it right now. It's gonna be little dribbles. Next drill, I could set out a box and then we can have fun with that. Going from one corner, next, like normal box, or we can play with it. One corner, opposite corner, or L's in both directions in different sets. Just a box for the first one. I wasn't counting. Alright, change of setting. Our box has become bigger. Alright, let's do this. Before we were doing this direction, now we do this direction. It's a bit dangerous, that one. Let's do some U's. We're on 12%, so we're gonna capture just a little bit more. If the battery dies before I finish on the bike, trust me, I died on the bike. This exercise is brought to you by Freddie. It's alright. Just a little bit of down. 12%, okay, that's plenty. Okay. Bike sesh plan on screen. Let's get into it. 15 seconds left to recover. Now, one more. This is the road. The road to a 4 minute 45 Bronco.
4 minutes? Yeah, I did 6 minutes, so that's good.
Sevens gave me the best shape I was ever in, but I never did a Bronco around that time until like the next year when I was a bit heavier, and then did a PB of 5:15. So close to 5. Happy with it. Alright, that's the session done. See you tomorrow. Ouch.